Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining how you will use the images and why that matters for rights. Decide if use is commercial or personal. Licensing differs accordingly. Once done, set technical needs, resolution, orientation, aspect ratio, because sourcing filters depend on those specs. Then choose the license type you accept: public domain or CC0 for the safest reuse, or specific Creative Commons terms if you can comply. This focused start prevents wasted time on unsuitable images. Next, search reputable platforms and apply license filters to show CC0 or public domain results only. You should also check metadata and reverse image search to ensure the image isn't misattributed or removed from another source. Once you find candidates, download original files and save the license statement or screenshot for your records, because proof matters later. Make sure to prefer images with clear provenance. Ambiguous listings increase legal risk and cost extra verification time. Finally, confirm the license explicitly covers your planned use and follow any attribution rules if required. If you're unsure about provenance or a license looks questionable, contact the creator for clarification or simply choose another image. This avoids downstream liability. Make sure to compile a license log, include dates, source pages, and screenshots so you can resolve disputes quickly. Troubleshooting tip: if an image is flagged later, replace it immediately and keep records to demonstrate good faith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.